Hello everybody. Today I will show you how you can create your own YouTube channel. So let us see how to do that. So first I will open Google Chrome, and here you can see one option. I will highlight that part. Okay. Here you can see this. I have circled it. Just click there. Okay. You just have to click there, and here you can see this option, that is your main account with which you have logged in your device. Okay, so just click on that option, and here you can see add account option. Just click there. It will take some time, and then this screen will appear. Here, if you already have an existing account which you want to add, you can add it here directly. And if you don't have any account and you want to create your account, you have to follow some simple steps. Step 1 is go to create account option. You can see here. Here you can see I have highlighted create account. Just go there, and you have two options. But if you want to create a YouTube channel, you can select the first option. Then it will ask you for your first name and your last name. So first name is basically your name, and last name is your surname. So I will write my surname here, and then click on the next button. Now you have to enter your birthday and your gender. So it's like for creating a YouTube channel, you have to be at least 15 years of age or above 15. And if you are not of 15 years, then you have to take year as 15, or else you will not be able to create account for YouTube. So it's like basically now we are in the year 2020. So the person who is born before 2005 can only create a YouTube channel. And if you are born after 2005, then you have to give fake dates, okay, to make sure that you are showing yourself 15 or above 15. So you can select a month here, like I'll just choose my month, day and year. Okay, here you can take it as any year you can take, like 2004, okay, or 1, okay, and just click on next. And you have to select your gender here also. So you can select one gender and click on next button. Now you have an option here. Okay, so it's like the main thing here is that you can either choose any of these account, or you can create your own Gmail address. So it means like what Google does is, after it gets your first name and your last name, it will automatically generate some email address for you. If you like that Gmail address, you can select it, or if you want to create your own custom Gmail address, you can just click on this option. And here you have to write your email address which you want. Okay, whatever email address you want, you can just type here. So if I type this, but always remember that when you create a strong Gmail address, it should always have letters as well as numbers. Okay, so I'll just write any account here, like address here. Okay, like this, and you just have to write this @gmail.com will automatically come, and you have to click on next button. But since that username is taken, I have written this, but this username is already taken. but you can add any account you want, any username you can add here, and just click on the next button, then add a password, and then you are ready with your Gmail account. Now after creating your Gmail account, just go here and you can see the option of add account. I'll just show you the steps again. As I showed you prior, just go on Google and go here. I'll open this and then you have to open this. And then click on add account, and then you can add your account here. So whatever your email was, like I'll add one email. So this is a Gmail account. And then go to next. And then you have to enter your password here. So you can input your password here, and then you have to click on next button. Okay, so like if I take, okay, I have taken a password, and then you have to click on next button, and then your account will be automatically added here. So once you have added your account, what you have to do is just go to YouTube. Okay, just open YouTube. And here you can see your account. So I will just switch my account to this. So you can see that there are many videos here, and you have to create your channel now. So just click on this account. Just click here. I have circled it. Just go there and you can see your channel. Just click there. And it will ask you an option, use YouTube as. Okay. Here you can give a name of your channel. Whatever you want to give the name of your channel, you can give it here. Like anything you can give, like I'll take this like this. Okay, and now just click on create channel. So you can see this is your channel now, and your channel is successfully created. You can also change many things here, like you can change your profile pic and all, and it's very simple to change a profile pic. What you have to do is you have to go to your Gmail account, and there you can add one profile pic. So here you can upload your videos. And now if you want to upload any video on YouTube, just click on this button. Just click on this button I have highlighted. Just go there and all the videos will appear here. You can also go live, and you can also record a video directly from YouTube. And when you have uploaded your video, you can go to library and your videos. So once you have uploaded any video, you can see your videos here. So in this way you can create your YouTube channel. I hope you like the video and you got to know how you can create your own YouTube channel. If you have any doubts regarding this or anything, you can ask me on comment. Thank you.